to start making a Flutter app. For this you need to open the VS Code, and now in VS Code what will you will see the new window. Okay, after the new window what will be appearing, you will see that you will go to the setting and see that there is a Flutter new application project. Okay, so in Flutter new application project, after clicking that you will press the control shift key and then you will see that the Flutter new application project. Okay, so after clicking it, there is a command over there for which specific folder you have to just make this app. So just I am using this my folder, you will use your folder. Okay, so after that select the folder and after it will ask the name of the folder. So I am writing what COVID-19 app. Okay, so after that you will see that the screen Flutter creation is going on. Okay, so wait for some time as it is going on. So now what will you see after this? Just go and scroll down and select from class, and after that go to the down and just delete it because we are going to make an app by ourselves. Okay, so now delete that. Okay, after deleting you can see home written here, my home page. There also what you will see, this is also deleted. You go and delete this. Okay, because we are making it by own and we write it by ourselves only. So after this what you will write is scaffold, in which you write app bar, app bar in bracket, after that title. So for writing title you need to go to the in which test also. So we'll write it test and then under that we'll write COVID-19. COVID-19 what? COVID-19 tracker. Okay. You have to just open the Chrome browser. So wait, just see what is going on as in the screen only. So I'm just opening it in a Chrome browser. Okay, now just see there in Chrome browser what you will join web view Flutter. On that web view Flutter there is a Flutter package. So just install this package as I am doing this. Install this package. Yeah, select this web view Flutter semicolon. After that there is a pub spec camel. Okay, so you have to open this pub spec camel. After that search for the what you are searching. Yeah, Cupertino icons. So Cupertino icons, in which you have to just copy that below that and paste it, that web view Flutter, just I have done it. Web view Flutter is just copied below Cupertino icons. So for that you have just copied it and now press the pub get button, and then on the right hand side of the opening of the screen, and then see the terminal for the code 0 in the debug console. After that import this package semicolon web view Flutter slash web view Flutter dot. Yeah, it is going on, it is running. Yeah, now see that what is written there, container. You can see that. Then you can open this pack as we form the container, and there we write the child as I am writing over there, and then what web view in, as you write this child over there. After that, web view, and after that, below this, just copy this URL of the link and just doodle this COVID 19. And then what you will see, you can just paste there and then wait for some time. And then what you will see there, what I'm doing, yeah, I'm just copying and pasting this. Hmm. Yeah, wait for some time, please. As I've done there, I've just pasted there. Wait, it is just running. Yeah, you can see now there COVID 19 tracker is written over the mobile, which is on their screen. Yeah, you can see that app is open, but is not opened in full screen. App is just opening. Little bit time is there. You can see written there cases, vaccines, all is just going on because this app is just working. Okay, you can see the information is coming. Yeah, it is just searching the locations also. So now for that you have to just go to the container, and then for the height you will write double dot infinity, and for the width also you will write double dot infinity. After that you'll go to the child and then write there JavaScript mode. After that Java semicolon JavaScript mode dot unrestricted is just there, and then wait for some time and just restart this. Now you can see what is going on. COVID 19 tracker app is just there. Um, Now, in just 10 minutes, we have completed this app making COVID 19 tracker. As you can see over there, it is just coming on Doodle also, and sign in, and just information is also coming over there. You can see that it is just working also. After that making, you can see that it is working also. Thank you so much. I hope you all like it. The video.